Yes, so grade 6 girls, lesson 3.2, compare and order integers, we have completed in our last lesson. And here, before beginning the new lesson, I explained you how to compare the, the numbers, the integers, like negative numbers with the positive numbers. If it is least to greatest, everyone please turn to page number. Everyone please turn to page number 147 and check whether you have completed this. Page 147. Grade 6 girls, are you there with me? Hello?
Yes, miss, we did it.
You finished it, right? So it's just comparing it. Now for today. What?
Can I go get the book?
Go get the book first. Girls, page 147. Did everyone complete it?
Miss, that's not the same page you made.
Really? 147?
Oh, go up.
The same
Oh,
page.
this one you mean?
Yes. Did we?
Oh yeah, we did that.
We did this page, I'm sure. So now, today we'll start.
Miss, I did 147.
Okay. Me too. Really? Okay. You did not do it or you did it?
We did it.
That's what I'm saying. It was just a review. We'll start with lesson 3.3, rational numbers and the number line. Today you will learn what is rational number. Like in last class, I told you -1, 0 and 1 and 2, +2, 3, any numbers. What are they called? Integers. Do you remember this I told you? So this again in grade 7, your teacher will ask you. If I am teaching, I will ask you again. What is it called? Integers. What are these girls?
Integers.
Integers. The positive, the negative, and 0. All are integers. Now today, we will learn about rational number and number line. What is a rational number? Rational number is any number that can be written as A over B. Like example, girls. If I ask you 3/2, any number, 20/40, 70/90, any number, if you see a fraction, A/B, instead of A and B, if you find any number here, it is called a rational number. But what is the condition? The condition is that the denominator can never be 0. Will you remember this, girls? Will you remember this? Now, this will be very important for your quiz. Put a star mark. I'm definitely going to ask you, what is it? Any number that can be written as A/B, where A and B are integers, like 1/2, -1/-3, any number with A and B is integer and B, this denominator is not equal to 0, it is called as, what is it called, girls? Rational number or rational number. Did you understand, everyone? Everyone, did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, a little bit.
Girls. Simple, Dana. You see 3/2, you will say this is a rational number. You will not say it is an integer. Okay, Dana?
Yes, no, I didn't really get it.
Simple, Tala. When you see this number, what is it? It is an integer. It is an integer. But when you see 3/2, you know it's a fraction. And from today, you will also give a new name to it. Its name is rational or rational number. Okay?
Okay, got it.
Now, you will study, you will learn about this with the number line also. Page 151.
Miss, wait, I didn't finish.
I did not tell you to write. I'm explaining you. The freezing point of a liquid is the temperature at which the liquid turns into a solid when it is cold. The table shows the approximate freezing points of various liquids. Graph each temperature on number line. Okay, they ask us to put this on the number line. Girls, please, if you don't know, stop me. Do you know the number line? Did you ever see the number line? Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think, Tala? Up, it is positive or negative?
Negative.
Up, if it goes up like this, it is positive. If you go down, it is negative. Okay, Tala, will you remember this from today? That up, when I go up above 0 is positive. Below 0 is negative. Will you remember this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you remember this, girls?
That's when it's if you
Okay.
go down.
There was something very easy I told you. Where is 0.3? Don't you think so? Minus 0.3 is opposite to 0.3. If I ask you, what is opposite to minus 0.3? What is opposite to minus 0.3?
Minus
Opposite-
0.3.
0.3.
Yeah, 0.3. And where is 0.3 coming? Between. Now see, girls, simple. Simple, look at it carefully. We have 3 numbers. Can you tell me the 3 numbers on the table? These 3 numbers, please tell me. Minus 0.3. What are they? Come on, anyone help me. Minus 0.3, minus 0.5,
2 and 1.
1.4.
Oh,
Right?
you mean that?
These are the 3 temperatures. They ask us to plot on this. Carefully look at it, girls. I have 0 here. Okay, and I have 1 here. That means this is 0.2. This is 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. Now, of course, 3 will be here, right? Now 5. If this is 0.2 and 0.4, 0.6, 5 is between 0.4 and 0.6. Coming to 1.4, this is 1, this is 0.2, and this is 0.4. So this is 1 point, this is 1.4. Again, girls, in the quizzes, we are not asking you to plot, but you must know how to plot it. You must know how to plot this, girls. You must put these points. Put it in your book quickly. Put these points, girls.
Miss, but I didn't write the one that are up, but I'm putting the point.
Okay, first you want to write that? Okay, write this, girls.
Okay, wait. Can I just put the points real quick?
Yes. You can do both of them together now. I have just adjusted the screen in that way.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, done.
Miss Wait, I'm doing the point.
Finish, girls?
No, Miss. 1 second.
Yeah.
I'm in the last one. I'm in the last one. Done.
City Hall is located at a point 0 on a map of Maple Avenue. Other points of interest on Maple Avenue are located on the map based on their distances in miles to the east of City Hall or the west of City Hall. Graph each location on the number line. You have to graph the location and number line. Now see girls, it's it's not easy because I will tell you. You know that you have to know girls, first of all, the best thing is to write the decimal points. What I teach my students is to write. You know that 3/4, what is 3/4? Before I told you all to remember, 3/4 is 0.5
0.75.
and 1/4 is 2/5. Am I right? Am I right, girls?
Yeah.
1/4 means quarter, it's 2/5. And this is minus 1.5, right? Girls, write it down there so that it is easy for you girls. And how about 3/8? You will find it out. 8 3s are 24. And then 8. 1 minute, girls, 1 minute. 8 and 3. Let me divide properly and see. 8. 8 3s are 24. 6. 8 6 8 7s are 56. Am I wrong? So you got almost like 0.3. This is very small. So 0.3 is like something like on 0 only. It's it's somewhere here, right? 0.1. Girls, did you all write this? Till here, write it first. Please, girls, till here, write it down and then I'll explain. Till here, write it down and then I'll explain how to put the point. Did you write it here, girls? Did you write this? Grade 6 girls, what happened today? Are you all sleeping?
No, Miss, I'm writing.
Okay. If you are finished, can I move? Please write, don't forget to write this because with these values, I'm going to put it on the number line. With these values, I am going to put it on a number line, okay? Done? Now here.
Yes.
As I told you, remember, as I told you to remember, 3/8, what did you get? You get 0.3. So minus means it has to be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. It is here. This is minus 0.3 because to the left, because it is minus. Minus 1.5. Of course, 1 is here and 0.5 is here. So this is in the middle of 1.25. Come in the middle of 1.5, it's 1 point. This is positive. It's 1.25. Then you have 0.75. It's here. 0.75. Very simple, girls. Done?
Miss, no, I'm just putting the dots on.
Okay.
Miss, I'm done.
Others, did you finish? Other girls?
Yes.
Yes, I'm done.
Nobody is responding today. Come on, girls. The best way is to divide. That is the best easy way, girls. Now, 2.25. You know that minus 2 is to the left and 2.5 is here between. You know, this is 0.5. This is 2.5. So between 2 and 2.5, you have 2.25. This is the quarter. So it is between minus 2 and minus 3. It's closer to integer minus 2. Don't write all this. Then how to do 5 over 8? You will do 5 over 8. You get almost like 0.6. You got 0.6. So that is minus 1.6. Minus 1.6 will be somewhere here. Girls, are you getting my point or no? You're not understanding. You're just being quiet.
We are.
5 over 8, you just divide here. When you divide here, you get 0.6. And then you locate 1. Why did I add 1? Because we have 1 here. 1 to 0.6 becomes 1.6 and you locate it here. Half, everyone knows it is 0.5. Positive half is here between 0 and 1. That's it. Very, very simple lesson, girls.
Miss,
Hmm?
what is this number?
48. 1 minute, I'll just write it clearly. It was 50, 48.
Miss, I'm done.
Miss, no, I didn't.
Finish, girls?
Yes.
Okay. Now here, they have to write whether they're opposite or not. Girls, if they're same sign, you will write them not opposite. They are same. If they are opposite means one has to be negative, the other has to be positive. Okay? So just write opposite, same and opposite. And this number line, tomorrow I'm going to do it. Just do 12, 13, 14. And I'll call out your name 1 second. Point A. Who can tell me what is point A? Point A. Tala, what is the number of point A? On point A, Tala, what is the number? Jury, on point A, what is the number? That means girls are not here with me. Tina? Jenna? Mario? Maria? Lamar?
Miss, Miss, I don't understand the question number 12, 13, or 14.
Did you
Right here, you have a number line. Don't you think so? They are on the opposite sides.
Yeah, and the other one?
They are on the same side because
3,
both are
9,
negative.
10.
See, both are negative. They are on the same side. And here, one is positive, the other is negative. So they are opposite side.
Okay.
And here, question number 15. What is the point A? It's minus 1.0. It comes between, that is minus 1. Point B, 0.75. That is 3/4. Point C is 0.25. That is minus 1/4. And point D is again minus 1.25. Please write this down. Tomorrow I'm going to explain you guys. 15,
Do we need to
16,
write
17,
minus
18.
1 and then
Yes,
3,
you need to
4?
write.
Miss, I finished. If we finish, can we leave?
Yes, you can leave first.
Bye.
Bye, girls.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, girls.